Anyone receiving more than $600 through digital payment tools and seller platforms is now having that transaction reported to the IRS. This reporting is being done via Form 1099-K. Here is what you need to know. If you use digital payment and seller platforms, you'll need to provide your social security number and a valid name and address to accept digital payments or to buy and sell tickets online. And understand every time you use these platforms, it is possible the transactions for those receiving funds will have this activity reported to the IRS. If the IRS considers a transaction business-related, you'll need to report it on your tax return, even for casual transactions that lose money. It's often the case when selling event tickets for a loss or taking digital payments at a garage sale. You can expect to receive a separate 1099-K from every platform you use where you exceed the annual threshold. Prior to 2022, the reporting threshold was $20,000 and more than 200 transactions. But with the perceived underreporting of income by those in the gig economy, the transaction threshold was eliminated and the dollar threshold was lowered to $600. Now the IRS will use their computer auditing to compare your 1099-Ks with what you report on your tax return and audit you if they do not match. Whenever you exchange money with friends in a digital format like Venmo, have them mark the transaction as non-business. Each application will handle this differently, but it is critical you do this to avoid getting a 1099-K in error. When receiving payments from friends, if there's potential for error, ask for a check or cash. This will avoid the 1099-K reporting mess. When splitting a bill at a restaurant, don't have one person pay and then get reimbursement. Instead, ask the restaurant to split the bill and everyone pay their share. When receiving a digital payment, you're relying on the person paying you to code the transaction correctly. So, to protect yourself, you now need to keep track of digital money received, who it was from, and for what purpose. Some platforms may report your income twice, once on a 1099-K and again on another tax form like the 1099 Miscellaneous or 1099 NEC. You must actively monitor this information. Infrequent sellers on places like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon are now in business when payments received are more than $600. Be prepared to create a business tax return to capture this activity. 1099-K reporting has wide-reaching implications. Given the level of public outcry, a rollback of 1099-K reporting thresholds is possible. But given the nature of Congress, don't plan on it.